Hi, this is Nick from mobileandgadget.com. I'm with Mark Dillon, the co-founder and chief operating officer for Jolla. Hi, nice to meet you. Now, can you just give us a brief background to the company to start off with?
Sure. Jolla was born when Nokia changed its strategy on February 11th of 2011, and we took the MeeGo operating system, which was formerly on Nokia N9, and we started a new company. We had the kinds of people that had the expertise to create mobiles. We've been doing it our whole lives, and we saw that the market was actually demanding for change. There's only a couple of players now that are dominating the marketplace, and having an open and independent alternative was something that we could see was very important. So we started this company in beginning of 2012, and we launched our first smartphone in November 27th of 2013.
All right, that's great. Now, obviously you talked about your new handset. Is it possible to have a quick look at it and some of the key features?
Sure, I'd love to show you. So, in this case we have a device that actually has an Angry Birds other half. So what this does is it enables the device to actually have Angry Birds content, so that Angry Birds can actually put special content to the device. This is something that's quite special with Jolla and Sailfish, the ability to actually have this kind of branding element where the device can be personalized or according to what the user would like. At the top we have our lock screen, and there's a few options that you can actually select without even looking at the phone, because you can pull down and feel that, okay, I can go to silent mode and put the device back to my pocket, or the phone or the camera or the settings. Coming down, these are the applications that are open at the moment and my home screen. So I have the settings, I have my favorite people, I have the phone and the messaging application at the moment. You'll notice that there's no buttons. So the way that the Sailfish operating system works is with a simple gesture from the side, you can take an application and go back to the home screen. So you can very quickly and easily go from application to application, and you can see your whole digital life in front of you. So whatever applications you need at the moment, your email, if you're at work, with your calendar, you can see your most recent missed calls. If you have the phone open, your most recent text messages from the messaging application. And then going forward in Sailfish, we also have the ability to run Android applications. So you not only have native Sailfish applications, but also all of your favorite Android applications are available. So it's very easy to be able to switch back and forth and be able to manage your whole digital life at one time. And this partner space concept I can actually demonstrate with another device as well. So I'll switch the device. This is a Nokia, which is a Finnish clothing manufacturer. And when I open this device, you can see that automatically when I put this other half to the device, I get Nokia's information, and I also have a place where they can put their content, and they can share their content and videos and other things for their catalog and for their customers. And it's always just one push away from the edge of the screen. And whatever applications are open, we can easily just switch back and forth and be able to use those very seamlessly on the operating systems.
I mean, one of the things we should notice is how you can run several applications at the same time.
That's right, and they're always up to date, and they're always keeping you with all of the relevant information for what's going on in your digital life.
Right, excellent. Thank you very much for that. Now, obviously, as you said, it's been launched recently, but you've been very, very active in providing regular updates for people.
Yeah, we're just about to put the 4th software update out. We have a massive amount of updates, both features and performance things like that. So we've nearly doubled the number of camera features. We've added landscape to all of the text applications, and how many devices are out for only a couple of months and have 4 software updates with continuing features and fixes that are coming.
Alright, that's excellent, because obviously we have had feedback. There are lots of minor little bugs in there, but then again it's a very new operating system.
We have together.jolla.com, where we actually take feedback on what are the most important things for our customers and our community. We prioritize those in the software roadmap, so that as we are making monthly software updates, we can make sure that we're always prioritizing the things that are important to our customers.
Ah, right, yes. That brings me on to one thing. Obviously, it's a very strong community supporting it.
Yeah, it's the world's best community. Really.
Well, I bet they're glad to hear that. Now, obviously, some people have been asking if Jolla plans on formally supporting it itself, the community itself.
Of course, we have the care channel for all of our customers, plus together.jolla.com. We're working in lots of open source projects, and we have lots of ability to work directly with our community.
All right. Now, obviously, you've been very, very busy over the last few months, and again, here at MWC, you've had a number of announcements either just before the show or during the show as well.
Yes, that's right.
So, I mean, recently you opened up the Sailfish browser to other developers. Is there any kind of further news on that?
That's right. We went full open source with our browser. It's based on Gecko, but we also opened all of the UI so that we can take community contributions there. And one of the keys with open source is that it's great for security because you can always understand that with that many eyeballs looking at the code, there's no backdoors.
Oh, well, that's good to hear. And again, now, one of the key things which was launched just a few days ago was the Android launcher.
Yes, actually the Android launcher is a way that we can put into Google Play a launcher that allows anyone using an Android device to simply download the Sailfish experience and get an understanding of how the gestures work and be able to understand do they want to take Sailfish into use.
Okay, so effectively they're running a Android phone but with a Sailfish interface.
Yeah, that's just with a little skin on top. But we also will be offering we'll be offering Sailfish for Android devices so that you can freely download Sailfish and put it onto an Android device and then be able to take full advantage of the Sailfish operating system.
Right, and will that be available on all Android devices?
We're going to start with a set of devices so we can polish and really make it seamless, and then we'll work with the community on making other devices available. And that'll be first half of this year.
Okay, and will that be a fairly simple, painless procedure?
We will make it very polished.
That's good. Now, again, it is possible to run Android apps on Sailfish, am I correct?
Absolutely. So all your favorite Android applications are available on Sailfish, and there's a number of stores that are available. So Aptoid, for example, and we have a partnership with Yandex, and you can put different application stores, and we don't limit the choices there.
Okay, that's great. And just one final question. So what future developments do you have coming up for people?
So we also launched a partnership with F-Secure, which is a trusted name in security from Finland. And we're providing a secure cloud backup solution and sharing solution so that Sailfish users can understand exactly where their data is and have a very secure solution for that. It's very important to them.
Okay, so that's very, very useful because obviously online storage is becoming more and more essential.
Yes, exactly, and it needs to be secure, and you need to understand where your data is. We are the kind of company that is not interested in taking your data and using it for other purposes. It's your data, it's your privacy, it's your property.
That's great. Well, thank you very much for your time, Mark. It's been a great pleasure.
It's a pleasure, thanks.